This is the Mini 2 and it's been out since November 5th. I've flown this thing quite a bit and I pretty much think that this is probably the best portable drone you can get today for the price. At $449, it's incredibly capable with 30 minutes of flight time, OcuSync 2.0. But why the hell would I get rid of this thing? Why would I get rid of it? Well, I'm not actually getting rid of this one. However, I am getting rid of this one, and I'm gonna give it away to one of you. If you wanna know how to win this Mini 2, stick around. What's good, everybody? Ken here, you're watching OriginaldoBo, and it's that time of year again. I'm gonna go ahead and give away a DJI Mini 2. Last year we gave away a Mavic Mini. This year we're coming back at you with a Mini 2. Now DroneWorks did go ahead and give me this Mini 2 to give away to one of you. Here's the cool thing about this giveaway. I'm not gonna make you sign up with my Patreon. I don't even have a Patreon. I'm not gonna make you pay to enter a giveaway. There is no purchase necessary to win this Mini 2. Last year, a guy named Steven Espinoza won the Mini and he was super stoked. He took it to Hawaii. I've seen all sorts of awesome photos he's taken with it on his Instagram. So this year, I'm hoping it lands in the hands of someone that can really use a drone. So here's how you can win this Mini 2 from DroneWorks. Simply head to the link in the description below, click on that link, tell us what you would capture with this drone. What would you video? What would you photograph with that drone? That's worth 4 entries. In the description, there's also ways that you can receive additional entries, such as visiting DroneWorks' Facebook page and simply dropping a like on their Facebook page. You can receive additional entries to win this Mini 2. There's also a couple of other ways that you can get additional entries, and this giveaway is gonna go on until January 1st, where we're gonna have a New Year's live stream, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull the winner at random live on the New Year's stream. So some rules to enter this giveaway: you must reside in one of the 50 states, Canada, or Puerto Rico. So it's a North American, US giveaway. So if you're in Europe or overseas somewhere, unfortunately, this giveaway is not gonna be for you, but I promise I will be doing a Europe/overseas giveaway really soon. Those are just a little bit harder to coordinate on such short notice, and with shipping times due to the holidays, it is a bit hard to get things out overseas. So I'm trying to keep it simple for whoever's going to win this. Secondly, you have to be at least 16 years or older to go ahead and enter this to provide your information to sign up for this giveaway. The third thing is there is no purchase necessary. That means I'm not asking you to go to my Patreon. I'm not asking you to give me $1. That's not what we're doing here. This is free. This is a free sign up. This is a free competition. So if you're down with all those rules, they're really quite simple. You have a chance to win this. So good luck to all of you who enter. I hope you guys enjoy the holiday, the new year. I'm gonna try my best to put out another video. We're still doing a video a day. We've kept up with that for the most part. It is getting tougher. So if there's something you wanna see, go ahead and let me know in the comments section below. But again, check out that link in the description. That's how you're going to get registered to win this Mini 2. Now this is not a fly mode, but it does come with one battery, the RC, the whole shebang, and it's still pretty dope. I've got one right here. And like I said, this has become my favorite travel drone because it is so tiny and capable. It's pretty damn good. So whoever wins this is going to have to really wow me with some awesome photos. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, stay original.